Hi hopefuls. So I wanted to share with you my very first order from Amazon Pantry. I've been meaning to check them out, and so I'm always ordering stuff anyway from Amazon, and I went on the Pantry and I saw where the prices were so much cheaper for so many different things. So this box is actually, I think, just only snacks and stuff. I want to also go to Costco or Sam's or BJ's, one of those stores, to see what they had. But when I saw the prices here, I was like, let me order a couple of things. So it came today. It didn't take too long to come, but it didn't come as fast as the 2-day shipping. And so let's open this up and see what's in here. And everything in here is going into the locker. Yeah. So I got some of these Chewy dips. 14 pack, and let's see, I got the Chewy chocolate chip Quaker granola bars, 18 pack. I got some big bars. I'll make sure I put the links down below. I don't know if they'll still be on the pantry or not when you guys go. I got some of these, have to HID these. And I got these cookies and cream. I haven't seen these before, so I got these for them. Let me see what these dates are. If not, we're just gonna have to rotate it. Get out of the box, please. Let's see, May 21. And let's see, I think these are regular Rice Krispie treats. And I want to go to Sam's or Costco soon. Then I saw these too, y'all, because I haven't really seen these at the store. This smoked ham. And I was looking at the reviews, and a lot of people were saying they use this like in a salad or something. So I think I only got 3 of those. Then I got some of these potatoes. I wanted to get some hamburger helper, but people were getting that really quickly. But I'm going today anyway to Food Line. Because they have 5 for $5, so they're $1 a box. So I got these potatoes, and I think I only got 2 of these, and they last to July 21. Is that July? July. And I got some of these. Sasa likes these, so I have to say that on below. And then I got the 4 lasagna. So if I realized that Food Line, when I ordered this, was $1 a piece, I went and got these. These were like $1.42, something like that. Still not bad. And I think that's it, y'all. Did I show everything other than these? So I'm gonna go and hide these too. They will just mindlessly eat like they sit here eating these chips now. But anyway, that's all I got from the Amazon Pantry. I'm trying to think how much this cost. I think it was like only $30, y'all. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Only like $32 for all of that. So I'm gonna see if I add anything else to this little haul. Hey y'all, so I'm making dinner, so really quickly, I wasn't going to share what I picked up, but I went to the store probably 2 or 3 times and didn't record what I picked up. So today we're having tacos, something really quick. I'm actually having a half salad from Panera Bread. I think the chicken Cobb salad, and I got eggs and bacon added to it because I'm hungry. I did eat earlier, but I just had like some collard greens. So y'all, I did make some collard greens and I froze them. One of you all was like, "Oh, why don't you just make some collard greens and freeze them?" And I was like, duh, I do that during the holidays. So anyway, that's what I did. I don't even know if I said this in another video or not that will actually go up. So really small haul. I got some ground beef, so because I'm making tacos for them. Orange juice. I don't know why I got 2 different kinds. I used to buy this kind all the time, and I started buying this. This is $2.05. This is $1.89. Just being cheap, a couple of cents. I got some Bluetooths. I got 2 packs of bacon because, of course, we're going to eat breakfast a little bit more at home. Usually we'll wake up late and we just wait till lunchtime to eat. Of course, Josiah will have his waffles or whatever. But school started. So I have some tortillas for the tacos, some extra sharp cheddar cheese. I wanted the New York sharp. I think that's what it's called, but they didn't have any. I got some strawberries. I want to dehydrate this, so I want to bust out that dehydrator. It's on the counter, but I need to put it to work. I should have got some green peppers. I got some pineapple. I've been trying to eat this instead of having something sweet. I got 3 things of syrup, and I got 3 things because they were 99 cents. The regular price is $1.29 at Aldi, so I could stock up because they go through syrup already so fast. And I'm gonna rotate it. So I'm gonna pull out the big bottles or what I have in my pantry and rotate it. Okay, y'all, got some yellow rice. I'm gonna make that, I think. Here's the other turkey bacon. Some cheese for the tacos. And some sour cream. I got Delight. Is that it? That's it. I got some bagels for breakfast for myself. Anybody else wants some, but usually I'm the one that has bagels. A lot of times I just have like a half. And I have the Philadelphia cream cheese in the fridge already. And then I have 2 of the taco seasoning mix. And then some nuggets for them. I really need to go to Walmart and get a big bag of nuggets. I got some limes. I should have put them back, because I usually only use limes in quesadillas or street tacos or something. And I could have cut my own lettuce, but I just picked this up. And I want to say that's it. Oh, I got 2 loaves of bread, 2 things of the purified water for preps, and then I got a gallon of milk. So that is it. Look, that is it, y'all. Somebody give me something else I was gonna say. Oh, let me show you this. Harris Teeter. No, Food Line and Harris Teeter at a coupon yesterday. This stuff is on Amazon. You guys will see that first. But I got 5 things of the cake mix, the Devil's Food, the butter golden, classic white, yellow white, and then 5 things. They were 5 for $5, so they were $1 each. And then I got the Chewy fudge and milk chocolate. So that's enough preps. Well, I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna put it in a jar. I cannot find, y'all, because a lot of you have commented, the attachment that goes on top of the jar. So I have jars, but I cannot find the attachment to go on top of the jars to vacuum seal it. So I probably just will put it in a jar. It's gonna last a little bit longer, but if not, I will definitely be rotating this. So, and this is enough to also share with like family members if, you know, they're not able to find something, and I can say, well, here you go. All right, y'all. Bye. Hey guys, I don't know how I'm gonna piece this video into something else. I don't know. I did get a suggestion that I need to start using my tripod. You guys who've been with me for a while, y'all know I'll set the tripod up, and some of you all know that I won't. But thanks for watching anyway, y'all. But I'll try to do a little bit better, but I just been using my iPhone because I need to. It's a whole situation with my laptop, and I got a new camera, and I want to use the camera. It's a whole situation, y'all. So I've been editing it on my phone, so that's why the quality hasn't been the best. And I don't have a stand for my iPhone. I don't think I may. I don't know, I may, y'all. I gotta go look. Okay, y'all. So I froze some collard greens. So remember when I was talking about preparing for the holidays, and I picked up the, I can't think of the glory greens, and someone said, I hope you can make your own collard greens and freeze them. I'm like, duh, Hope, you done it so many times before. So plus collard greens is something, it's a comfort food for me, and I will choose veggies over fruit any day, y'all. I know I'm odd, but I would, and I could have collard greens, a meal right by itself. So I would be a little upset if I couldn't get my hands on some collard greens for a long period of time. So I made 2 big bags from Food Lion. I knew Food Lion had like the real shred. I know you guys probably don't have a food line, but some of your stores, I know Walmart does, but sometimes they have a lot of stocks in theirs. But you know, your more grocery, I shouldn't say that. Your grocery stores, y'all, probably like Publix or whatever your main chain grocery stores that you have. Food Line in our area, probably Harris Teeter does too, but they have the real small shreds. So I got a ham hock and I seasoned it and everything, and I've been eating on it. Already got me some to the side before I freeze this. I think Trail had some. I'm not sure if JJ or them had some yesterday. So I made 2 big bags, filled it up, try to put as less liquid as possible in there, and I'm getting ready to put it in my upright freezer from yesterday. And I need to get some lemon juice, so I need to get several. Jason went with me to the store, so that's why you see these big bags of apples, which were expensive, but he likes certain apples. We were waiting for the chicken, so I done left these apples. They don't turn brown that fast. Sasa, are you gonna eat your apples? So we went to get some fried chicken. Today was Fried Chicken Friday. And I also couponed for the Texas Pete. I'm going to go back. I have 2 more coupons to use. You only can use like 3 coupons, identical coupons at one time. And these were 90 cents for 2 with the coupon, or either 45 cents. So I didn't have my other coupons. I'm getting them together for Harris Teeter. But I just wanted to show you guys the collard greens. Yeah, so I made some collard greens, and I'm gonna make some more because I have 1 more bag in the refrigerator. But my pot, I don't know why I got that pot. The pot wasn't quite, it was a big pot, but it wasn't big enough for 3 big bags of collard greens. So I'm gonna go get 1 more bag of collard greens, cook those tomorrow, freeze some more. And then I want to, the main reason why I was showing you the fruit, Jason picked up some apples, no, some bananas too. So I'm gonna get some lemon juice, and I'm gonna see if I can dehydrate. I'm gonna start dehydrating first, and the reason why I'm gonna do that first, so I can grasp everything, reading you all comments. And then I ordered a new stove, but you can tell that everything, of course, is not back to normal, because I ordered it beginning of July. They told me it wouldn't get here till August, and they changed the date to September. So I'm having a feeling that they're going to change it again. So I need a new stove because I have a glass top. I want to show you guys, but I just finished cooking, and it's dirty. There's my collard greens. But this is the eye I cook on all the time. Y'all just finished cooking, so I need to clean it. I cook on all the time. The rest of them work. This is a warmer. I had this for about 10 years. So this portion works. This one doesn't. No, this portion works. This portion does not work. It just went out all of a sudden. A tech did come when he fixed the washing machine and some other stuff. And he said that to fix this, it will be as much as, I might as well just get a new stove, y'all. Put an order in for a new stove. So, if I get it, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I heard some people waiting a long time for appliances, but I don't know. But that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to start dehydrating first because I can't pressure cook on the little eye. That's the whole thing. I'm losing my thought because my older son was coming in and I thought the alarm was going to go off. Anyway, y'all, I'll see if I can set this camera up somehow and record other things that I do as I do them.